The first task here is to remove the battery. Now you may have seen this in the previous chapter, or if not, you can watch the replacing the battery video to see how it's done. Check which model you have before doing this.
With the sweeper upside down, the telescopic handle and bin removed and the battery out, we can remove the visor and take out the edge wheel from the bottom of the sweeper. Next, with a Phillips screwdriver, undo the 8 screws and lift off the bottom housing to free the handle. You'll now be able to see the belt. Here, to remove it, lift the brush bar and slide the belt from the gear. Then, attach the new belt onto the motor and then onto the brush bar gear. Give it a quick check to make sure it's secure. Now you can pop the bottom housing back onto the body. We can then screw the 8 screws back into place, making sure all the sides are level and sealed. Now you can replace the edging wheel, like this. Place the battery back into the compartment underneath the sweeper and click the cover back into place.
All that's left is to pop the visor, dust tray and tubes back onto the sweeper, and you're good to go.